Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Confluence for team project documentation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Confluence for your team project documentation, begin by navigating to the Confluence homepage. Once there, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the center of the screen. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Confluence. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to proceed with the registration. You will be taken to a new page where you can set your password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated. After entering your password, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be asked for your name and the name of your team. Fill in the required fields accurately. Once you've completed the form, click on Next to continue. In this stage, you may have options to select your team's purpose or projects. Select the appropriate options that best describe your team's focus. Continue by clicking on the Next button again. Now, you will be taken to a dashboard or workspace setup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. At this point, you can start creating spaces for your projects. Click on the Create Space button to begin documenting your team projects. Fill in the required details for your new space, such as the name and purpose. Once you have filled in the information, click on Create. You have successfully registered with Confluence and created your first. Now, you can invite team members to collaborate by clicking on the People tab. Enter the email addresses of your team members and send invitations. Encourage them to register and join the workspace. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.